Is homeopathy just belief? Or is there real science behind these dilutions? Let's explore what modern research says about this 200-year-old system of healing. Over 200 years ago, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann introduced the idea of like cures like, and insisted on testing remedies on healthy human beings. Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, a distinguished German physician, chemist, linguist, and alchemist, made a radical decision. He walked away from his medical practice. Hahnemann's contribution went deeper than this discovery. He was the first physician in history to understand the true meaning of drug proving. Rather than testing substances on the sick or on animals, he believed they should be studied on healthy human beings. Why? Because only a healthy person can truly reflect what a medicine causes, without interference from illness. He began taking highly diluted, potentized doses of various natural substances, and meticulously recorded every physical, emotional, and mental effect. Dr. Hahnemann's methods were bold, and met with skepticism, but his passion and precision inspired others. He convinced fellow doctors, scholars, and students to become provers. These educated, healthy individuals took small homeopathic doses and shared honest, detailed records of their symptoms, not just physical, but mental and emotional too. Their findings laid the groundwork for the Materia Medica, the foundational text of homeopathy, based entirely on tested human experience. This was a revolution in medicine. For the first time, a medical system was not based on theory, assumptions, or animal testing, but on carefully documented human response. It was logical, it was ethical, it was homeopathy. Today, those very principles are being explored under microscopes, nanoscopes, and clinical trials worldwide. That same principle is being explored through advanced research, with real studies, real data, and real breakthroughs. Let's start with India's Central Council for Research in Homeopathy. They've published hundreds of clinical trials across various chronic conditions. In the UK, the Homeopathy Research Institute is bringing homeopathy to peer-reviewed medical journals. Even the Swiss government recognized homeopathy as evidence-based and included it in their public healthcare system. One major breakthrough, a study from IIT Bombay found nanoparticles in homeopathic dilutions, proving that even after repeated dilutions, the energetic signature of the original substance remains. Other research shows that individualized remedies can activate specific regions of the brain, helping with stress, inflammation, and hormonal balance, without side effects. Homeopathy is now being studied in labs, hospitals, and universities across the globe, because healing doesn't have to be chemical, it can be intelligent and energetic. At the Holistic Clinic, we blend this modern research with classical wisdom, to give you care that's gentle, scientific, and deeply personal.